It's half a cup, right? And I'm like totally not.
Before you start prepping your pizza, you're gonna make sure that you preheat your oven to 400 degrees. All right, you can at the store with your gift card purchase items that you would like in your pizza, like pepperoni or Italian sausage or bacon. You're gonna need mozzarella. You can get the slices if you want instead, and then we provided you with pizza sauce. But one thing you want to make sure to have is an actual cake pan. It can be a pie pan as well. So 9 inches is optimum.
That are like fresh mozzarella, but you don't want the fresh mozzarella. You want the low moisture part skin. I guess it can be fresh, but I don't know.
Look at that cheese. So it's thicker than your regular slices that you get from the store. So the regular slices work fine. We just couldn't find any sliced mozzarella, so we had to do by hand. We're also going to be putting bell peppers in ours and onions. What are you doing right now? You're not going to talk for real? It's being recorded.
I'm slicing a pepper into pizza style strips. One might call them julienne if you were in France, but we're not in France. So I'm just gonna say we're gonna slice them into strips so that they bake well in the oven.
Yeah, and they said in Chicago you don't want all the moisture, so you don't want thick pieces.
Yeah, because they will make your pizza sauce watery if they're too thick.
And your pizza can be soggy.
So
keep it thin.
You want to pick them up and put them in this bowl? Sure.
Another really tasty topping that you can use is the Italian sausage, but you actually just chunk it raw.
Right. You want to tear the sausage. We're not making meatballs, because that would be weird in a pizza. So you want some crispy, maybe like flavorful edges when your sausage cooks on top and inside the pizza. So we're just tearing pieces off. If you like big chunks, make big chunks. If you like little chunks, make little chunks. But chunks nonetheless, not meatballs.
Yeah, because meatballs might not cook all the way through. So I have added some oil to the pan. I'm going to get a paper towel and spread that around, but you do want to make sure that you grease your cake pan so that your pizza does not get stuck. So I just flopped my dough into the middle of the pan. You're going to want to knead your hands around the pan so that the dough spreads to the sides and actually all the way up the side. It's going to take a while to bake, so you want to make sure you stretch it up the pan.
What?
So you have
cheese has oil. Cheese doesn't stick to stuff.
Cheese does stick to stuff. That's why they use it when commercials where the cheese gets stuck and they show you how it slides right off their nonstick pan.
That's not a thing. They do that
It's totally a thing.
Cheese sticks to stuff.
Okay.
So we start in the middle, and we're gonna like do a radial overlapping thing.
No, it has so much cheese. Just put some on the edge. I am an edge person. You put it up and climb the edge a little bit. Yes, because you want that nice, crispy, crusty, burnt cheese layer. So I kind of like overlap it a little bit, just so we can get all the gaps.
That's big cheese. And put the heavy part up top.
It's good, maybe. It's pretty good. Okay, now we can do the middle.
This big piece here. This was not cheap. Huh?
It wasn't a lot. It should be good. That's good, right? Okay, so then next you're going to add the vegetables and the meat. Here goes our sausage. Sausage to go first if you decide to use it. And you're gonna spread it out nice and even. And then next will be your veggies. Are we gonna use bacon?
No.
Oh,
We
I
need
think just in case.
some on top.
Where's the oregano supposed to go? On top. Okay.
Sausage chunks. Yeah. Some of them stuck together, I think.
All right, and then you can add your pepperonis and your veggies. I'm actually gonna do, let's do veggies and then we'll top it off with pepperonis.
Veggies.
And you might not use all of your vegetables. So if it seems like too much, then just stop. You don't want a soggy pizza. So here we go with some pepperonis. And that should be good enough. Ooh. So next goes sauce. So you're gonna grab your sauce container, you're gonna glop it around on top of your pizza. You're gonna sprinkle with your oregano for some flavor. And we're gonna be extra and use Italian seasoning too. We almost forgot to record the final product. Look at this. It's on its way to a happy customer right now. They don't even know it.